Hey guys, I'm Amir Bozade from Say Learn channel. This is the fourth lecture of how can we use password package in Laravel, and in this lecture I wanna show you how can we use Postman for our API routes and how to define middleware for API. Let's go to our project. Here we define our API routes, and one important thing I have to say you, in the AS controller we have some problems. In here for token variable I said user create token AS token access token method, but it's not a method and you have to remove parentheses, and that's it. Also we have to remove it in a login method. Another problem is in login method I said if validator fails and return response instead of writing response, and you have to fix it. That's it. Now I'm using Postman for sending API. Let's open it. Let me close these tabs, and I'm opening my browser and writing say learn.test. One important thing you have to know, I'm using Laravel, so uh, it make automatically a visualize for me. That means .test. If you using WAMP or XAMPP, you have to write localhost your project name, for example Ceylon, and then public for using API. That's it. Let's go to our Postman, and I'm sending API to register and login. I'm creating a request. The type of request must be post, and here http / then say learn.test. I'm saying another time. If you are using WAMP or XAMPP, you have to write localhost Ceylon for your project name, and then public, then API and register. But here I'm using Laravel and I have to write ceylon.test / API / register, and that's it. I have to pass my name as Ceylon, then Ceylon 2 actually, and email ceylon2@gmail.com, and here I have to pass my password 1238468 1234567. Sorry guys. And password confirmation. Here I repeat it 1234567 and if I'm sending my request, I want to don't send password confirmation and see our messages. The password confirmation does not match, and our validation work correctly. Now I create my user by my API, and this is our token. For login method, we can type post and http ceylon.test / API and login. In here, email ceylon2@gmail.com, then password 1234568. If you don't send password, we see the password field is required and status 400. That means bad request. And here we log in successfully. for using token for our post controller or any other controllers, we have to define our controller and then set a middleware. For example, I'm defining a post controller and also post module and migrate it. Then I'm defining a middleware for that. Let's go to our project. I'm creating a controller for that. PHP artisan make controller post controller. Then I defining a model post and migrate it automatically. Then I'm going to my database migration and post migration and defining a table string, then title. That's it. I'm migrating it. PHP artisan migrate. Let's go to our controller, post controller, and before I'm defining my method, I'm going to my phpMyAdmin. In here, I'm going to my Salem database, then post and insert some data in it. For example, in here, laravel course, and here, Salem passport. Let's go to our project and define our method public function. I'm defining index method. You can define your method. So post variable, and here post all. You have to be careful because you have to import your post on the top, and then I'm return response JSON 200. That means okay, and posts. As you see, I have an error in here. Okay, let's go to define our middleware for this route. I'm defining our route get because I don't want to pass any data to it. Posts and post controller imported on the top class, and here index. Then I am using middleware for that as API. By this way, we are detecting our route by token. Let's go to our Postman and let's send an API for it. HTTP salem.test slash API, and actually let me check posts. And for using our token, we have to log in to our user by API and then copy this token and paste it here. For pasting it, we have to go into headers and define accept, that is application JSON as you see, and for authorization, then we have to write bearer and paste our token. Before I'm pasting my authorization, I send a request, as you see, as unauthenticated or status code 401, and if I check it authorization, you can see my post. That's it. The password project completed, and we learned a lot of things about it. I hope you enjoy from these lectures, and please share this video uh, by your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel or joining to our Telegram channel. Goodbye. Take care.